Hi guys, it's Colette, and today we're going to be working on this Gilded Burgundy gradient. If you like nail art, be sure you subscribe to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures, and if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting off with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with a base coat. Today I'm using Ready for Takeoff, which is a peel-off base, and you can use whichever is your personal favorite. The polishes that I'm going to be using today are from Zoya. For the gradient, I'll be using Lydia, Claire, and Courtney. Then I'll be topping those three with Gilty. But before I apply any polish, I'm going to protect around my nails using Simply Peel. I've got a sponge, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply the colors. Decide which color you want at the tip and which color you want closer to the cuticle. Have a little bit of overlap on the sponge, and that will help the colors to blend on your nail as well. Probably will need 2 or 3 coats, and after the final coat, go ahead and remove the latex. Once you've removed the latex, go ahead and clean up around the edges. Then I'm going to add a layer of Gilty and finish off with top coat. Finally, finishing with top coat, and as usual, I'm using Seche Vite. So here's the finished manicure, and I'm really happy with how this turned out. This is actually probably going to be my Thanksgiving manicure, although I'm not sure if it'll make it onto YouTube before then. And I wanted a dark kind of Thanksgiving color gradient with something a little bit extra. And I think the gold flakes really add that. If you want to see the extended tutorial from the live stream, that will be up tomorrow. I'd love to hear what you guys think down in the comments. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.